Won't go tell your friend that
the line of Posse's money mad again. Come follow me.
We are gonna tell you about the bad boy there. If it no repeat to eat who saying it's cool.
London Posse.
We're gonna tell you about the ones who are bad. Got you them gone.
Money mad.
Boom. They see you living, take they lick it and they're long gone. Brain gets stomped on. Rock like Long John. Silver could be a mugger, could a slave cracker. Could be a robber, a hitman or computer hacker. Could be a earner. Just call them marathon. Couple gold rings and a fat piece to earn a top. Bucky's a brandished in a raid. Could a night, could a fade. Bank got sprayed, the pound was made. This in the airways on the police receiver. Cause every message got the money mad fever.
Come on, they mad. Come on, they mad. You know that I'm telling you, them come on, they mad. Money mad. Them come on, they mad, mad, mad. Money mad. Them come on, they mad. In a London city, a whole heap of earner. Like a roughneck, rootless esperner. Man, I'm doing crime since the times are hard. When I go sing, shot, wash, rock, drum up a yard. Them money you Gangsta use, blank the curses, butters off, drop it like the nutter off. Sling you up before your things are tough. Why crook or I look to sling your book and car, cause they're hard and you ain't nothing but a potential victim pursued by a muffin nutter. Could be a kiter, a dipper, a blagger, or a roughneck ragger, brandishing a dagger. But I can't shoot a getaway car, I'm sure it's for a bank that cuts off his job or security court. Stick up, you get rough enough to do their stuff, and next minute them I bust the guns won't cost nothing to them. Come on, they mad, come on, they mad. You know that I'm telling you, them come on, they mad. Money mad, them come on, they mad, mad, mad. Money mad, them come on, they mad.
Money mad, you the truth. I'm gonna tell you about. Don't trust too much, man. They will sell you out. I live in an area where it's scary after dark. The radicals ain't marks the man you get caught. By the bull, they pull and tug ya. Young youth getting treated like monsters by the beast. Or should I say policeman and his truncheon? Be a black man, Nicky, put him in a cell and punch him up. Try that thing they make a youth resort to ragged is and people have to listen. That's enough for them to prison doing long burn. For petty crime, something you can't relate, but wait till you see I'm talking facts, not lies, not fiction. Fuck, I understand, but no, the bad was not my diction. Right on the mic tonight, it's worries, letting off lyrics, and I'm looking at money's becoming.
Come on, they mad, come on, they mad. You know that I'm telling you, them come on, they mad. Money mad, them come on, they mad, mad, mad. Money mad, them come on, they mad. From your busting Tom, don't drop it like a dude back, cause you could even get distressed by a rude cat who's holding a blade saying, give me that blade. And you hand it over, proving that you're soft as Marjorie. In the ghetto, you so large, I mean, respected just for licking a text with ease. There's no please, you snatch and dash, and the one with the most cash gets the most pronation. Crazy scheming, wheeling and dealing. They stick to stealing, cause it's more appealing than dreaming of the PM and mercs whenever having them. Seeing opportunities, they be grabbing them.
Charlie, smack cracker, even says this.
Assault by the youths as young as 12 years old. They want coal and a BMW, and I'll say them will get it from them and take the trouble to go and look at her, not show them gone money man. For your back pocket, you owe our life is a drag. Singing at the alley, then them a dolly from the rat. From the big time money, then them drop it bad. Roughneck terrorists are organized a fire. What they do? I go pay a yard or them a liquor bank. Them a moving at them massive, them a driving at them harbor. Stealing buckets or doors that they get stopped. See? Money man, them got money mad, mad, mad. Money mad, them got money mad. Feed them and got money mad, got money mad. Little man and I don't know them got money mad. And the yard in my city,
Got money mad,
Brooklyn Pro,
got money mad.
Brixton my
They
city,
say them got money mad,
Junction Pro,
got money mad.
so Bronx my
They
city,
say them got money mad,
Black Brook Pro, right,
got money mad,
Stonebridge Pro,
got money mad,
Wandsworth Eyes,
got money mad,
Utica my city,
got money mad,
and the Tiger my city.
got money mad.
All the arms work crew, one side. And all the rude girls, big up. Yeah. Yes, man. And remember, nobody go on like an idiot in the ghetto. And you can forget this stress. All the rock force massive. You can always tell when it's Friday, man. Look at these folks acting the fool.
This is Mr. Senior Love Daddy, your voice of choice. The world's only 12-hour strong man on the air. Here on We Love Radio, 108 FM.
And yeah, you're listening to the world's famous Supreme Team Show. WHBI 105.9 FM. Chicago.
Getting back to the UK plastic. The man like Blade alongside his DJ Renegade. A cut produced by 2000 AD. Now in the stores.
A world premiere. A world premiere. A world premiere.
Here we go again, it's wicked, check it. Take the subway, what they all say, still we walk and talk the same way. Not committing, crimes are getting below the low and now they're fretting. Hell we're going deeper, deeper, not the weaker. Yes, we're eager, louder, louder, raise the level, not the silent, fuck you know so. Yeah, boy, come praise the hard noise, the boys could you handle? Six to angle, never single, higher, higher, yeah, you praise it, how we phrase it, now he says it. Holy Moses sees you fading, chop the roses, how do you feel? Don't even question the real deal. Radio play 'em, how can I say em? Play the Lord, but we don't obey 'em, won't obey 'em, we refuse it. Forward with the music, come up. Cross play the music, had to use it. Many confuse it to the bone as he works the finger. Hey to the motherfucker K, straight on contemplating. Ignore the one possessed by Satan. Evil-minded, people find it hard to accept, suit the climate. We go on and on and on and still we're coming. But heads running to the future, no addiction. Criminal records, no conviction. Press the charges, I don't think so. Leave alone, not the guilty, let go. Break the barrier, chip on my shoulder. Check the rear, grooves are colder. The beholder couldn't give a shit for
motherfuckers claiming they knew us.
Make the room for 2000 AD. Quiet, rush to get it. Come. From a solo, so you swallow what we're saying, soon you follow. Words you're heeding, what you needing. Never bluffing, here's a warning. Yes, you get the unforgettable. Going places, seeing faces. Some have the nerve to try to fuck with it.
Got the beat in cut.
What we tell them simple, it ain't drugs, we sell them. No, don't even think about they can try, but they never could hold us back. Yes, we are come. No rejects and they all get some. Rush the gates, never losing. Cause we're living the way we're choosing. Sounds familiar, sounds incredible. Can you go for what's on the portable? Being played, who's it concerning? What are we earning? Tables turning, going against the forces of pain. Forces of evil thinking I'm insane. Bend the rules that were there to be cracked. Honor the ethnic, honor the black. 1, 2, 3, but the fact is ignorance never bliss motivated. Save the bullshit, temper, once again renegade, enter.
Just killed your fucking radio.
Kane, Big Daddy. Kane. I'm not even gonna say nothing. You say one. We go back and forth like back in the days. You say one, I say one, you say one. You and I, me and you and me. Hey. Say one. You want me to kick one first? If the DJ, slow that down to 4, slow it down. We like that slow. Hey, where my man Positive K, come up, we gotta do it for back in the days. Is Positive here? Who else is here? Positive and who else?
Just Dice.
Yo, Just Ice! Yo! You, my tape. Okay, we gonna do it like this. Okay, we're going. You don't stop. DJ, come on, don't mess up now. And you don't stop. You keep on to the break of dawn. See, I'm the rap promoter. I start to motor. Drove from New York to South Dakota. I forgot the rhyme, but it don't even matter. I'm bound to wreck your body like on a ladder. TJ, it don't matter. COOLV is my PJ. I'm not saying nothing like ultramagnetic. I rock it to the rhythm from east to west. Big Daddy Kane. My mother Mesquite. Get on the mic. Nah, yo, Positive. We gonna kick this Dookie joint. Yo, Positive. 1, 2. Positive K, my mellow, my man. Get on the mic and do the best you can. What's up? How y'all feel? How you ladies feeling? Well, listen, if you ladies make love with skill and know-how, and you want yourself a man right now, let me hear you say, ow. Or say, ow. Well, I'm the Positive, the gentleman, the rapper, intelligent, clean-cut, and also dapper. Blowing out scales on the round barometer, raising temperatures upon the hip-hop thermometer. Commercial, controversial, it's not my image. I'm roughing up rappers like a football scrimmage. Put them to a test, see if they can commit, and if they can't take it on like my dog, sit. Girls I want, yeah, I can get them. Shakespeare couldn't shoot a rap to a better gotta wait with words that could seduce them. When you find out, honey, it just got loose. Well, words of a mother to the word. It's not absurd by what you just heard. I rock 'em, wrote 'em. I rock 'em and I wrote 'em. I'm long like a totem pole. Baby, God bless your soul. I choose 'em, blues 'em, bang 'em, bruise 'em, send 'em to the next man. Then I excuse 'em. I'm the Positive, not the interrogative. With a lot to take, and a hell of a lot to give. Big Daddy, you making G's. Get on the mic, Kane. Get on the mic and stay around for him, please. You just made him, so competition say when you're thinking that you're ready, so I can just play him for them. No matter the quantity, you don't want to be in this battle, so just flee. Cause I leave for panicking as I start damaging. Stiff like a mannequin and frozen. This is a mind explosion as the chosen flows in. The competition throws in the towel. My sharp tongue is like a license. I strike like Mike Tyson. I be icing, breaking the mic in half just like a psychopath, but still smooth and cool just like a draft. Leave the metro scared and petrol, ain't no half stepping, so I don't sweat no MC. Cause Michael Jackson couldn't say it clearer. Molly Comp is the man in the mirror. To any pretender, you never been to the death zone. This is the wrath, do not enter. These ain't the ground pharmacies that be wandering. This is the ground that the Kane is conquering. Lyrics are right in the sight on the mic to excite, delight, ignite a bright light and a bright night for types who write to be quite like the man with mic swinging on tight but can't get it right. You're just a sloppy, cheap carbon copy sent the ride off in the sunset Kemosabe as the Kane remains everlasting with lyrics that's fast relief like aspirin. So allow me to relieve all grief, contact your brain, remain like hair weaves. I can reach each participant with a speech that will teach and have them hanging on like a leech, and yet still putting rappers in fear. So hold it right there, cause this is a nightmare. It's like was a killer scene, cut like a guillotine. Any thought you had about winning is still a dream, more like a fantasy. Tell me why can't you see? There ain't a way that you can touch or stand with me. Force with force to ill and kill and rip and flip, abuse and bruise the mic and strike just like lightning and thunder. My rhymes thunder, mind of a sucker, cause I'm a bad motherfucker. Yo.
daddy.
It's all because of you. I'm feeling sad and blue. You went away, and now my life is filled with. Come on. And I love you so. How much you never know. Funk Master Flex is on the air. You know, keep on to the breaks of dawn. Keep on because the word is born. New York is in the house. Say Brooklyn's in the house. The Uptown crew's in the house. Doug Fresh is cooling out. It's like that, y'all. And you don't quit. You keep on to the music. It's like that, y'all. And you don't stop. You keep on to the hip hop. Now, who's preserved and who deserves to be the innovator? You must have nerves of steel and be for real of what you feel and don't feel. If a brother disagree, it ain't a tragedy. Imagine D, they're no match for me. Most are new to this, and even some are true to this, but I'm in it to win it so deep, this shit is ludicrous. Pass them a shovel, keep them digging, I'm giggling. And if you hit the bottom, you're still all in. I'll pass the surface, and I deserve this. And nothing you could say or do will reverse this process. I guess I'm more, you're less. Word to Muhammad Ali, I'm the greatest entertainer, crowd sustainer. And I'm so hyped, they think I'm on cocaine or something. And I ain't really doing nothing but loving my people, cause they're my equal. And me and the Get Fresh crew always shine through bright. And sometimes you have to fight, cause what happens in the dark will come out in the light. Good night.
Hold up. I know what I need. I need that rising to the top joint. What's up? We got 2 minutes.
All right, I'm with it. Here we go. And this is how we flow, you know. This is how we flow. But in 2 minutes, we got to go. I wanted this to be special, something more than any other feeling that you felt before. Pushing through the doors, I see girls having a good time. I might say you're on old school, new school, no school rule. But other than that, everything is cool. I see guys and girls dancing, doing the new dances. That's a hit while I'm yo. I didn't pretend to be nothing but Doug E. As a brother extended out his hand to me. A funk master's on the set. You battle that brother, you damn well will regret. Funk masters in the house, hot 97. It's cooling out. Say my man so long. We having a good time up here, and I'm gonna do it like this. This is how we gonna end it. It's like that, y'all, and you don't stop. It's like that, y'all, and you don't quit until the old school, the new school rule. It's like that, y'all, and you don't stop. You keep on, cause this is real hip hop. It's like that, y'all, and you don't quit. I don't litter, loiter, smoke or spit. Sit right back while I pop this home, cause I'm the ultimate. It's like that, Anna. It's like that, Anna. It's like that, Anna. I go on and on to the breaks of dawn. Don't go to Getty, go to Exa on. Hot butter melting on the Jiffy popcorn. Run around the block like I'm on a marathon. Keep on into the break of day. And MC's gonna bite every word I say. It's like that. I said, it's like this. You couldn't get a better gift if it was Christmas. Home piss.
Sticker, ha ha ha, sticker, sticker, ha ha ha, stick. We're gonna rock the beat, now with the vibe blowing, body rocking CREWMC to all the homeboys and the young ladies, we're gonna rock a fist beat with the human beatbox until the sucker MC jump off our top. His DJ name is Grandmaster Doc Knight. We'll repeat it if we have to once or twice. We're gonna take it from the bottom and show you to the top. So check it out, party people. It's the human beatbox. And as we told you before, he is the Grandmaster, the man with the beats and cause a disaster, the man who's on the top, guaranteed to rock. From a positive source, it's the human beatbox with a million watts of power coming out of his mouth, making all the young ladies want to scream and shout. With 1,000 beats for every day of the week, so come a beatbox, play one for me. You know the passion is great, the beats are clear, the people are drawn from far and near. Force with fears, fresh, kicking it raw, and we pump at the party from 9 to 5. So if you want a sound that'll fit you to a T, listen to the sounds of the disco 3 MCs.
Some entertainment for you. We've got Blade, and we've got Junior C. Yeah, let's have a whistle. Right, all right. Yeah, we know. All right, look, we want to get this night going, so we've got to have some beatboxing and some rapping, and yeah, you know what I mean. We'll try some. Yeah, tell them what you're gonna do.
But I'm not gonna answer for the people there. We don't know. Yes.
All right, let's see. All right then. Ben, you ready? Okay then, there we go then. Let's go.
Ah yeah, now time to change the style. Posse. I want to. That's a busy. With the control of my enemy cause the shit on me. And the action planted out with my enemies. Hey, I must perform and think the women now we run the hater passage joke, which is adversary suffocator. Dictator predicts my life in my joker. Untamed talker with spray in my cola. Her practicing in the rapping thing. I sing tweeters demonstrate the power generating. My rhymes echo with a winter gale. I create an increase in the gale. My rhymes eliminating. Hell to compel situation will tell. No situation parallel, opposite of truly, obviously is loose. The power of my rhymes will truly motivate you. With a solution, rigorous convulsion, condition neutralizing, you're under my potion. We came here tonight not just to chat, cause we can rap and it's that. 1, 2, Blade, yeah, rock it. Say hope.
How was that? Funky fresh in the flesh. Funky fresh in the flesh. Known as MC Blade with the raps and the beats that I have made. Today of all days, it's a day to remember. And we're in April, not in December. You know that. Definitely kicking, and I'm kicking it live with the human beatbox. And just about right this time, we're gonna do it one more time. Just the beat alone. Right about now. Are you ready? Alright, here we go. I can take a rock around the clock, all the top. This is mine. What do you want to hear?
Beatbox.
All right. Here we go.
Got to sing the Fly Girls a song.
Gotta
sing them a song.
One,
Got
two,
to sing.
Word them up.
It goes like this to all the fly girls out there. It goes a little something like this. Hey y'all, we came here to this party to take out all you sucker MCs. You know who we are. We're the Force MC. Force MC. Damn. Oh yeah, baby.
with the DJ Dr. Rock.
Yeah, baby.
Touch that beat, girl, and can't
Hum it one
be
time, Rick. Let's hum it, baby.
You know who we are. We're the Force MC.
Force MC.
Don't you know, baby, yeah. Force MC. Yeah, baby. Force MC. Just call our name, the Force MC.
Ah, yeah.
Hold up. Anybody got this time out there before we do anything? Anybody got this time? What time is it? What?
We're gonna find out in a minute, though.
Well, it's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, ask Dr. Rock. No, it's 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, ask Dr. Rock.
Well, it's 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock,
ask Dr. Rock, Dr. Rock. Come on, let's rock the spot. We're the Force MCs from Staten Island. Hey, on the ferry boat, we can't sail it. We went back and forth and back to keep the sucker MCs from off our track. And on the microphone, you know this is where we belong. Ha, ha, ha. Well, I'm the S-T-E-V-I-E-D. Everybody in the place, you got to know me. You got the fancy style to rock around. And when I'm on the microphone, I got the profile. Cutting on time, everybody on the mastermind. Ha, ha, ha. Well, I'm the Coldcrush for MCs.
Now.
1 2. All right.
1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. All right, we know it ain't that much time.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We'd like to welcome you to Harlem World.
Harlem World.
Hope you welcome us. We ain't been here since January the 2nd.
Yeah.
We'd like to wish all the other MCs in the contest good luck.
Good luck. Word of mouth. Gonna need it.
But it ain't really about luck. It's about skill.
Word. You know it.
And for this money, this money shit has got to be serious. Because when it comes to money, cash money is what turns us men to beasts.
$800, that's 200 apiece.
You mean if we turn out 800's what, we win? You goddamn right. Shit, let the battle begin. Young ladies came to see us. All the MCs wanna be us. But to the sucker MCs,
suck ass MCs,
whack ass MCs, fucked up MCs. Check it out. We don't mean no disrespect. It's how we put you in check. 82. It's not that we're conceding. It's just that we defeated all of you. We got a question. Why you wanna be around us? Then you wanna front and down us with your silly games. People coming up and tell us that y'all are very jealous, but we're not saying no names. Now y'all just keep on fronting, but that shit don't mean nothing to the board. Cause we just keep on writing, and y'all just
just keep on writing more and more. Other MC wanna be us, so when people come and see us, we just let them know. While other crews just break up, we'll stand tall and make up the upcoming show. And we came here to let you know that the ball routines are also fly. Why don't you check us out and you know why? There's only room for one, you can't get by. So take 2 steps back or step aside. We came here to let you know that there's nowhere that you can go. So give us a cheer, say I'll say ho, and get down. Get loose, get ready, get set, and let's go. Hey, I gotta get some blow. Yo, I heard that girl was a hoe. Yo, she got a lot of gusto. Come on, boys, you should've let me know. Now we talking to everybody. There ain't nobody that can rock you like we do. Makes no difference if they're solo or if they're down with a crew. You best believe that, girl. Cause this ain't no lie, it's true. The boy got 50 ways to rock a party. You know that. Just listen up closely and you will see, my friend, that the 4 can rock this party from beginning to the end. So pay attention, girl. But we won't tell you again. The 4 got 50 ways to rock a party. What we got, we say 50 ways to make it shake your body. Here's what you do. Turn up the bass, chase. Leave the girls alone, tone. Or tell the crowd what to say, Kane. How do you like it so far? Give the girls a play, ain't no. Keep rocking them well, and okay, say the best for last, cash. Shown up, don't end the party too fast. We've come a long way from a pretty shaky start. Nowadays, everywhere we go, we be tearing shit apart. Cause we're the Coldcrush 4, and we're bound to steal your heart. So we got 50 ways to rock a party. What about 81 and 82? 81's over now, it's 1982. But we'll still be running things, just the Coldcrush will continue to turn the parties out. I say the way we always do, so we got 50 ways to rock a party. 50 ways to do what? 50 ways to make it shake your body. From P.O.P. Just turn up the bass, chase. Leave the girls alone, don't. Tell the crowd what to say, Kane. Hey, how do you like it so far? Give the girls a play, ain't no. Keep rocking them well, and say the best for last, gang. Don't end the party too fast. Hey, fantastic, spots, incredible, and theaters on the scene. With the golden voice on the people's choice, and we're back to with the gangsta link. We prove to the other MC that romantic's number 1. And when we step on you, just like a roach, I put in ways and touch. He's the adore and he's the ladies' man. So can't you understand? You fan? What? I'm proud to rock the king of hip hop. Yes, I rap with the rhythm of my hand, and I'm the master of I love you women, cause you got those curvy hips. You know what? Well, I'm Prince Whippin', I love to kiss all the ladies with the real sweet lips. He's a Rican, hey! That's too much noise. Check this out, y'all. Specific Kane, the pink don't go. Come on, everybody, come on. Blow! And you don't stop. The other DJs and your rappers. All the DJs and the rappers. All the DJs and the rappers. All the DJs and the rappers. All you DJs and the rappers, they talk about us. We got big stage full, so you make us fuck. We got the F on our chest, and when we throw down hard, they blame it on the way we dress. All you people out, you know who's fantastic, and all you young, you know who's romantic. No time, we're qualified, we give a show. It makes you realize we be like rocking and shocking and never ever stopping. Fantastic spot, so had your fingers pop. With Tito on the mix to give the records a shot. That makes you party people get up and start to rock. Now come on, if somebody say ho. Say ho. Yeah. Say night to night and from sun to sun. I got a question for you. Where you from? Say where you from?
And we are from that boogie down, that badass sound, the Bronx. Hit it! Hey, hey, Brooklyn, if you're in the house, Brooklyn, put your hands in the air. Brooklyn, put your hands in the air. Come on, come on, come on. Somebody say Brooklyn. Come on, somebody say Beaverside. Say do or die. Do or die. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, now I got all the people from the Bronx. Hook up the mics. I got all the people from the Bronx. I want the Bronx to repeat after me. Okay, come on, come on. Say boogie down. Say boogie down. The Bronx. Now you know Whip got to get money making Manhattan, because that's what's happening. Money making Manhattan is where it's at, and that's just like that scat cat. So we gonna do it up just like that. Come on, Manhattan. Come on, happening. Now y'all know Manhattan's some sharp shit, so I want everybody to get out with the person. Whip. Everybody in the house, let me hear say whip. Let me hear say come on, whip.
Now I don't care what borough you're from, the Bronx, Manhattan, Queens, Staten Island. I don't care where you're from, say New York, everybody. Come on. Let me hear you say I love New York. Everybody say.
Come on, somebody say theater. Say hit it, my man. The crew is back, we're not the whack, we were 5, but now we're 4. With the best DJ in the USA, Grand Wizard Theodore. Hey, I'm down the rock, the boss, you a shot, I never stop the finger pop. Hey, I'm on time, a singer all the time, young lady wanna feel you behind. Hey, I'm Master Robbins and I'm sewing cars, young ladies, I'm doing my job. Hey, I like fly girls with the cherry curls, ooh baby, gonna rock your world. Hey, I'm Prince Whippin', I'm here to say I'm so damn fresh today. Hey, so don't be surprised if I walk up to you. I say, hey baby, go my way.
Hey, well, I'm Ruby B, as you can see. I turn ladies into freaks.
So what?
I'm back in town in Sandra, and I'm keeping y'all right on beat.
Yeah, y'all the MCs dividing out there. You better not fuck around. Just pack your bags and take your run, and then you leave the town. Hey, with a crew that's on the go, and we always sip and blow. Also in stereo, and this year you must know.
My name is MC Dada Rock.
I love to grab my job. They call me Whip.
Because they are all
yeah. Now we'll make you come My first name is the Master Rob. We all got great big tips, you see.
Cause my name is Ruby D.
Come on. Party people in the place. If you're black and you're proud, give me a hand. Give me everybody out there. Everybody, if you're black and you're proud, give me a fist. Come on, everybody, do it like this. Do it like this now. Do it like this if you're black and you're proud. Come on, somebody say black. Come on. Say I love to be black. Say black is beautiful. Say black is beautiful. Say I'm proud to be black, y'all. Oh, come on, all the ladies, all the fellas, everybody, all the black people scream. And you don't stop. You say 1, a 2, a 3, 4. The Master Rob, my brother, what y'all waiting for? Okay, y'all, I'm gonna do it like this. Everybody in the place got an age, right? I know everybody got an age, okay? Now, when I call out your age, I want y'all to make the loudest noise as possible on your age. I'ma start from this number. Say 16, rock the house. 17, rock the house. 18, rock the house. 19, rock the house. 20, rock the house. 21, rock the house. Come on, all the ages scream. Hey, that was fresh out the bag, just like that, because it's just like that. See, we're 4. Giving you more.
The sweetest of all the female MCs, the latest, the greatest, who rhymes are always the straightest. The one with the gold, the clothes, they can purchase anything which can be sold. The master level who is not made of rubber, but the tender and slender, guaranteed to be remembered. The most rational, passionate lady MC, born up under the sound we call the Aries. With the rhymes galore you never heard before, so put your in check right at the front door. The grand mission of the ceremony, the one and only MC Debbie D. And that's me, y'all. So check me out, y'all. I'm cooling out. We're out. doubt. Become a cooling out without a doubt, y'all. The young ladies in the place, you feel the highs, you feel the funk, your bass. The fly guys in the place, you feel the highs, you feel the funk, your bass. We young ladies, I'm just saying, ooh, our young ladies, the young ladies, the young ladies, it's the young ladies in the 1980s, the young ladies, the young ladies, the young ladies just drive for this crazy. So get up, get down, and stop messing around. We got your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your whole damn family is sent around. Cause these, they wanna dig up on the wheels and shit. But cool girls, every D got the sex appeal and put the rhythm on the beat. The bass in your face is guaranteed to put a death smile on your face. Why don't you clap your hands and stomp your feet? Rock to the rhythm of a suicide beat. Rockin' to the rhythm cause you're never alone. The MC is on a mic and I can never go wrong. I make your body hum a thing, your body hum a song. Rock to the rhythm, rock another fucking song and you don't stop. And you can't stop, cause it's a suicide. And it's a body rock, and I'ma run it back. Because it's not the wax to take that, y'all. And it's a fact, y'all. And take this, y'all. And rock it, y'all. And get down, and stop that messing around. And get down, and stop that messing around. And then you boogie